Happy Vlogmas Day 12, and we're gonna make some more cookies using the basic cookie dough. These are going to be with unsweetened cocoa and some peppermint kisses. So let's get baking. Another batch of wonderful, easy cookies. Look how pretty they came out. These are chocolate peppermint kissy cookies, and I'm gonna have to have one. So let's try this. Yum. Leave these out for Santa. He's gonna love them. So I hope you like this recipe. Super easy, using the basic cookie dough and just changing it up a little bit, and you get these wonderful variety of cookies. So like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so you get notified of my next video. And for those of you who've been following me, my back is feeling a little bit better. So see you tomorrow. Bye.